Go beyond the coffeehouse with the Ninja Hot and Cold Brewed system. This brewing system gives you the ability to brew hot, flavorful cups of coffee and tea or over ice beverages, all powered by advanced thermal flavor extraction technology with Auto IQ. 2 ways to enjoy over ice coffee and tea. Choose between smooth, naturally sweet cold brewed coffee or tea and vivid, authentic flavored hot brewed iced coffee or tea that's never diluted. Specialty coffee and tea favorites. Combine super rich coffee and tea concentrates with hot or cold frothed milk to create delicious coffeehouse-style drinks. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Choose your size. With 6 brew sizes, brew anything from a single cup or travel size to half or full carafe. The best part? You can brew your favorite blend of ground coffee or tea. No pods required. Number 2. Individual coffee and tea baskets. Keep flavors separate with 2 specially designed brew baskets for ground coffee and a loose leaf or bagged tea. Number 3. A fold-away hot and cold frother. Transform hot or cold milk into silky, rich microfoam that can be paired with any of our coffee or tea brews. Perfect for cappuccinos, matcha tea lattes, flat whites, and more. Number 4. No pods required. Pod-free brewing means unlimited variety, customized brew, and less plastic waste. Number 5. Coffee and tea brew settings. Brewing technology offers an array of coffee and tea options. Number 6. Cold brew coffee and tea. Brew over ice at a lower temperature for smooth, naturally sweet flavor in 10 to 15 minutes. Number 7. Smart basket recognition. The system recognizes the basket and displays coffee or tea drink options. Number 8. Tea type. Select your tea type and the system knows the temperature and number of steeps needed. Number 9. 50 ounces thermal carafe. Keeps your coffee and tea hot up to 2 hours. Number 10. 5 Brew Styles. Choose your strength with classic, rich, over ice, cold brew, or specialty. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.